Saving Telco from itself. Overcoming the top 5 challenges in 2024 Part 6. Dial down the Futurama. 2024 will be a key year for telcos to embrace a solution mindset and make the transition to software-driven success. How does the telco industry save itself from itself and successfully transform? Here are the top 5. Own a solution mindset. Invest in software excellence. Embrace the edge. Follow the gravity of open architectures. Dial down the Futurama. Let's double-click on Dial Down the Futurama. There should be some lessons learned and a reset on the metaphoric vision videos of jetpacks, flying cars, and living on the moon. How do telcos get better at explaining how we get from here to there and how businesses can accurately forecast and plan for connectivity technology that solves their problems? The telco industry is a foundational asset of society that is challenged, and yet these challenges, which are themselves opportunities, are offset by tremendous demand by consumers, students, workers, and industries that must be connected. Hence the paradox of the business results. There is a good debate as to how much impact 5G has had on decidedly declining ARPU. Certainly new innovations in 5G standards are opening the potential to mitigate telco over-reliance on subscriber ads as a primary metric for success. In some cases there has been an ARPU bump. In others the jury is decidedly out. However, recent business results from telco infra suppliers and telcos themselves have not painted the rosy picture that we expected back in 2019. Through these opportunities, some telcos will embrace their lane and succeed. Therein lies the opportunity for infrastructure, software, and equipment providers to help these telcos meet this demand with commercialized solutions, open platforms, and the partnerships they require. We don't want telcos to help us to escape to the future, but we need to make today work by committing to the transformation needed to save the telco industry from itself. Subscribe and share. Thank you.